So it's a little creepy that I gotta go back through the fog here. I can't see nothing. I don't know what's in there. Alrighty folks, now you could probably hear me a lot better. That's because I'm on the G7X. GoPro gimbal wasn't fully charged when I got out here. Tried to charge it on the way here, but it didn't fully charge, so it died. It's alright, it happens. So now I'm bushwhacking, as you can tell, and I'm making my way to the other big fall that I just happened to find by mistake. I could see the fall though, so I'm closing in on it. Probably need to be on the other side of the creek. Looks like it's starting to get pretty deep too. So I'm going to cross. Need to roll up my pant legs. Waterproof socks. Alright, that is what I'm going into. Uh-oh, don't want to trip myself. Okay, step one. And here's where I'm gonna balance myself on rocks to get across. Whoa! If I don't slip. Here, let's do it over here. It looks a little better here, maybe. I don't know. Not really. Not really. So, pants fell down. These are not the pants for doing this. Oh! Alright, across the creek. Got that part done. I'm gonna have to do all that again. Now I'm heading towards this cool fall. It's gonna be cool. Alrighty folks. Focus. Yeah. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Man. Jackpot. Jackpot of waterfalls today. Folks, I didn't think I was going to see this many and this big. It's been a long time since I've seen a good waterfall. Wow. Wow. Look at all this foam. Crazy. So I was up there, right on the edge, looking down. And I made my way down here. And it was hard. So please like this video and share it. This was a painful hike. There's a lot of sticker bush. Awesome. Quite awesome. Alrighty. Found this trail. It's pretty nice. Gonna take it. See if it leads me to a point where I could get back up on the bluffage. Seeing like little falls. Even a little tiny waterfall right there. Wow, that's crazy. They're everywhere. this is turned into one of my favorite spots. I had no idea it was out here. All right, crossing here. Oh, it's a little deeper. Oh yeah, whoa. That went over my waterproof socks. Let's get off my stick. That was very deep. Hopefully it's gonna quit making me cross the creek back and forth. Still cool bluffage. Very wet trail though. Trail is very wet. It's getting like a fog up here though. It's kind of neat. Whew. I think this is the waterfall that tried to make it down and couldn't figure out how to do it. So now I'm getting to it. There's more waterfalls there. This is amazing. It's amazing. Bushwhacking again, of course. And got some signage of some sort, or markings on the trees. Hope I'm not. Oh, it's a bearing tree thing. Whoa. Look at this fog. It's wild. Land Survey Monument. Pretty cool, huh? Folks, I think there might be another waterfall. Wow. Well, this may be that one. I bet this is that one I tried to get to. This big, wow. This is so nuts. This big cave, or big natural shelter, whatever you want to call it. Wow. This is so amazing. Man, what an awesome place. Gotta take photos. Photos for Instagram. Wow. This must be that huge cave Stone was talking about. It's soggy down here. Oh man, sinking in the mud. Man, this is so wild. Look at that big old icicle hanging down. This is amazing. Oh, it's not focusing, is it? Focus, there you go. This is amazing, folks. Turned out to be one of my best hikes yet. I honestly think the video is going to be cool. Whoa. Check this out. If that ain't cool. At least I made it down here. Wow. Absolutely amazing. There's a big rock shelter. Focus. There you go. All the fog. Isn't that wild? Like smoke. Condensation, I guess. magical. So it's a little creepy that I gotta go back through the fog here. I can't see nothing. I don't know what's in there. Look at that, there's still plenty of ice. It's amazing. Man, this is so wild. It's probably a good place to camp. So I kind of stay on these rocks. That mud just sinks me in. So again, I don't know if this is Bulge Hole or the other two were Bulge Hole. I'm just gonna call it all Bulge Hole. 3 pretty awesome waterfalls. Really 4, 5, 6, several. I've probably seen more than 10 waterfalls today in one area. This has Ferncliff beat. This has Burden Falls beat. This has Jackson Falls beat. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, this is beat all the waterfall places. There's even a little one right over here. They're everywhere. Now, I gotta figure out how to get over there easily. So, it's gonna be hard. Unless I get on the bluffage up here and backtrack to where I think that other part is I can cross. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. So I'm gonna climb this. Seems like the best spot to climb up it, right here. All right. So I'm up on top of the bluffage with all the sticker bush. And I'm gonna bushwhack to a certain point and hopefully be able to cross the creek on a dry bed. And then get to the point where I saw the first waterfalls where I did the live stream. Ow! Sticker bush. And then head for the truck. There's this other fall again. Kind of looks like I'm on a trail. I don't know. Might not be. Might be, might not be. I don't know. Doesn't look like it. I recognize this. Whoa! That was very slick. This is just like a little cutout where the phone wires or electric wires or whatever coming through. And I'll keep following this. Take me by the creek here. Another fall. Well, this fall may be the fall I didn't get to after all. So that, wow, that other fall was an entirely different fall. This place is something else. Something else in a good way too. So there's another fall down here that I never made it to, so I couldn't figure out how to get down to it. But look at that. Just shoots out of like a little hole. That was wild. Look at that. Isn't that nuts? That's so neat. It's magical out here. Here's some tips for the trail. Focus. There you go. Here's some tips for the trail. Do not come out here wearing shorts. It will tear your legs apart. There's sticker bush galore. Here's a cool little area I did it live. You can check out that video to see more, all sorts of waterfalls. So awesome. This has been a very successful hike. More than I thought it would be, folks. I thought this little waterfall here was it when I came to it. Then I started pushing forward, going off trail, exploring more. And going off trail isn't something I normally do. Most of the time I don't like doing it. Don't want to get lost, but I think it's good to take risks. And that's what I did today. I bushwhacked quite a bit, and I found some awesome waterfalls because of that. So I think I did good by going off trail. My legs are ate up with sticker bush. Going off trail again now to get to the other trail. It's been a good time though. I have really enjoyed coming out here. This is one of my favorite spots in the Shawnee. Oh, this is my favorite waterfall spot by far. This one takes the cake. So if you have enjoyed this video or multiple videos, it's probably going to turn into a couple episode series. So I got a lot of footage. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button, please. I think I deserve it after all the sticker push. Share this video with others, especially on social media. Helps out a bunch. And this is a cool video. Comment down below. Tell me what you thought. If you know which waterfall I went to that was actually Bulge hole, because there's so many of them. And if you want me to come back and explore, which probably gonna do that anyway, do let me know in the comments below. And lastly, if you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button, because you'll get alerted. You can hit that bell button right after. You'll get alerted every time I upload a new video, do a new live stream. A lot of them are random. It's worth it. Even if you just created an account to subscribe to me, I welcome you to do that. But you'll be able to see things like this out here that I'm seeing, because I'm always visiting places like this. Now I'm hooked. After today has done something special to me. Something very special with all the waterfalls. It has made me want to push myself deeper into exploration of off-trail, you know, to find these cool, unique spots. That's what I'm going to do. So subscribe. And lastly, since we're to the little road, see, I don't know what's, whoa, almost tripped. I don't know what that way is. Could just be to another road down yonder. So thanks again for watching another episode of Hiking with Shawn. And until next time, I'll see you on the trail. Whew. Man, this is one of my most successful hikes in the book. Put it in the books. Very successful hike. My legs are just, I can feel all the little holes from the sticker bush. Glad I put on waterproof socks. This was a wet hike. Hey, ZZ Outdoors got my feet wet. Sorta, kinda. Glad I brought extra shoes. Gotta go grocery shopping. I don't think the store would like for me to just stomp around, leaving mud tracks everywhere. That's funny.